disciplinarian sort of. He's not that. Sir is very. He's like water. You know, that's his star sign is very Piscean. Water. He flows also like water, and all he wants is for you to come and give your 7,000%.
So if you can just tell us, how was it getting into the headspace of such a challenging character? Because we can see her pain, her struggle. It's reflective in her eyes. Also, I would like to add that it's like as he told you that it's 10 years of your career. Is there any character that you take back with you to your house? I know all the characters are close to you, but is there one character that is very close to your heart?
आई थिंक डिफिकल्ट मेरे लिए सबसे यही था कि मेरा विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है. माई फेस, माई बॉडी, इट्स स्मॉल. आई एम नॉट towering above you, so I can't show you power from my body. I can't show you hardness on my face because my face is not that way. So it all had to come from the eyes. So that was the toughest part, and hopefully I managed to do it correctly. But that was the toughest part. And I think that's something that even Sanjay sir enjoyed, the dichotomy of what you see but what's on the inside, and how you bring that on screen. So that for me has till date. I keep asking people, is it working? Is it landing? Is it landing? Landing for what reason? Can you see it in the eyes? Because I had to really think that, and I had to really channel it so that it could come across in the eyes.
Yeah, Alia, this is Vishal from दैनिक जागरण इधर. आलिया, आपने फिल्म में एक सेक्स वर्कर के
करके ही बदलाव लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम, क्योंकि हाँ, हालांकि लीगल राइट्स एंड ऑल वो सब अलग है. वो गंगूबाई शी फॉट टू लीगलाइज प्रोस्टिट्यूशन. चलो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑल टुगेदर. बट समाज में हम उनसे कैसे बिहेव करते हैं, हम उनको कैसे अपनाते हैं, वो सबसे बड़ा बदलाव है जो हम ला सकते हैं और हम दे सकते हैं. एंड दैट मीन्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग. दैट मीन्स putting ourselves in their shoes and understanding their perspective. एक भाषण है जो गंगूबाई ने दिया था आज़ाद मैदान में, and that was one of her most famous speeches, which is why she was extremely well known. and ये मैं 1960s के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. आज हम 2022 में हैं. आज भी जो उन्होंने उस टाइम पे कहा था आज भी रेलिवेंट है, क्योंकि आज भी लोग सेक्स वर्कर्स ऐसे लाइक दे फाइंड दिस they give it a negative word, negative connotation. ठीक है, आपको उनकी प्रोफेशन से प्रॉब्लम है, पर ये भी इंसान है, और ये उस प्रोफेशन में क्यों है, किस वजह से है, थोड़ा उसको तो समझिए. तो आई थिंक द पॉइंट इज कि हम थोड़ा सा, आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट द वर्ल्ड इज अ मच नाइसर प्लेस व्हेन इट्स फुल ऑफ काइंडनेस. तो आई फील दैट हैज टू बी अ काइंड लेंस टूवर्ड्स दीज विमेन. Because they are no different. उनके भी खून में, उनके भी बदन में खून है. मतलब this has been my most challenging character. Speaking about how I got into the skin of the character, I don't think this is something that I can quantify as preparation. No preparation could help me go through and perform the character. As I mentioned earlier, that every day we would come on set and discuss the scene before going and performing it. It was those discussions that gave me a visual representation and a world of this character to promote the film. But I don't know why we felt that this is a good song to bring over here to Kolkata. It's also been a while since I've come here to promote my film. The response in Berlin was really lovely. It was very overwhelming. And in fact, I think the audience there, Indians residing in and around Berlin, and also, the international crowd, they really enjoy Hindi films, Indian cinema. They enjoy the flavor, the color, the culture. So there was a mixture in the audience in the premiere when we were sitting together. I was seeing, different people all responding to the film. It was obviously subtitled. I think it was received well. There was, it's my third time. It was my third time in Berlin, and they say third time's a charm. But the last two times were also pretty charming, so it's been quite a charming experience, and Berlin has been very lucky for me so far. So fingers crossed the tradition continues. Power बना दिया. हाँ, पर इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि from time to time वो अपने घर को नहीं मिस करती थी. अपने बापू को नहीं मिस करती थी, अपनी दुनिया को नहीं मिस करती थी। और एक अगर आपने इस गाने में भी देखा है, एट द एंड ऑफ द सॉन्ग वो शांतनु के कैरेक्टर के हाथ को लेकर अपने सिर पे डालती है एंड शी इज मेकिंग हिम स्ट्रोक हर हेड। वो उसका सिंबॉलिज्म यही है कि जो भी हो जाए, वॉट एवर शी गोज थ्रू इन लाइफ, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी ऑल, एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग, उनको बस इस किस्म का प्यार चाहिए, जो केयरिंग वाला प्यार है, नर्चरिंग वाला प्यार है, जो ऐसे आपको एक फीलिंग दो कि डोंट वरी आई एम हियर टू टेक केयर ऑफ यू। तो वो फीलिंग उसकी ज़िंदगी में गायब है। इसलिए अगर आपने देखा होगा, शी हैज़ a certain, she wells up in the end in her eyes because उसकी ज़िंदगी में ये मिसिंग है। तो हाँ, she is very strong, पर उसका पेन यही है कि काश मेरी ज़िंदगी में भी ये हो सकता है।
गंगू भाई का स्क्रिप्ट रेडी हुआ था, संजय लीला सर ने कहा था कि आपको सोच के ही वो स्क्रिप्ट रेडी किए थे। तो जिस दिन आपको स्क्रिप्ट सुना गए थे, सॉरी फॉर मेरा हिंदी, उस दिन आप स्क्रिप्ट सुनने के बाद वहाँ से भाग गए, क्यों भाग गए थे? और नेक्स्ट दिन ऐसा क्या हुआ कि आप खुश होकर उनको फ़ोन किए कि मैं एग्री हूँ इस स्टोरी के लिए? थैंक यू।
तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बैक स्टोरी बताती हूँ। बिफोर डूइंग गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी, संजय सर एंड आई वर मेंट टू डू अनदर फिल्म कॉल्ड इंशाल्लाह, जो कुछ वजह से शेल्व हो गई और वो नहीं हो पाई। That was a very different genre. It was a love story. So when Sir narrated Gangubai Kathiawadi to me, which is this mafia queen, gangster, like she's this like full power boss lady. Of course, in that narration room, I had heard two completely different genres in a span of very few months. So I got very confused. I was like, okay, ये क्या हो रहा है? This is a completely different space. I don't think I was prepared. It was never, sir says मैं भाग नहीं गई. I said, sir, I'm just doubting my capability if I'll be able to pull off this part. Not because of anything, because nobody had ever trusted me or thought that, or given me this feeling that I could play a part like this.
आलिया